What's up, traders? Friday, here we are. We are doing the Friday night live stream today, so don't forget about that. Also, don't forget to hit that like button on this. It really does help out the channel, helps it grow, and all that good, fun stuff. With that said, we got about 4 trades today. I think 4 trades, and we went 4 for 4 today. So let's get to it. All right, so just going to do a recap here. We will start with what was our first trade? PBF. We'll start there. So PBF, we were going to be mad at ourselves because this is the first time I said we were going to take 90% of our position, and we did. And I wanted to hold until the end of the day just to see if it would fade the rest of the day. And as you can see, it is. But we were pretty happy with the trade. Plus, we made over half of our goal for the day in just one trade. So I was pretty happy with it. But yeah, really need to get over the fact that as someone that likes to trade quickly, I want to trade in the moment and not let these things go all day. So, and that actually brings us to ATOS, which we actually got a nice ad on this one, came down. We took most of it off here on the 9 retest. We were looking for that 9 flush down here towards the 880, but we couldn't quite get it. So we took 90% off, looking for this extra 10% to possibly come all the way back down towards $8. But as you can see, it was pretty strong. Ended up stopping us out at high of day for our smaller win on the day. And then our last trades were on EXPR. This one we took a little scalp on when we had those first couple trades. Came up, this line wasn't there. We drew this line after it made that high for the second trade. But made a nice little move up through the whole dollar. Tried to ride it down below the whole dollar. Couldn't quite get there. We had an order out, I think, at like 53. And we couldn't get filled, so we ended up taking it at 59 and ended up being right. It ended up going high of day. It did try to come back lower once again, but we weren't looking at it at this point. However, it did pop up back on the scanner, which is where all my plays come from, obviously. And you guys know I live and die by that thing, so wouldn't be able to make these trades without it. I get to wake up every day and not even have to do any due diligence. Just wake up ready to let the scanners do all the work for me. But anyways, sorry, I get so sidetracked with those because they're so amazing. But we ended up getting short here around 720. I think we got 724. Decided to keep going. We were looking to add right before and after the $0.50 if it wanted to go through, but it felt like it didn't want to, so we wanted to get an add just in case. And this ended up being the high for the time being. Started coming down. We took half of it off. We took another half of that half, and we were looking to ride it all the way down towards the 689 for the remainder. It came down and tested 7. We put an order in at 701. I think it missed us by a penny. It went to 702. So right when I saw it start to jump back up, which was pretty quick, we took it off at 704. So that ended up being a pretty decent cover as well. As you can see, it didn't really go any lower. It did finally get under 7 for a little bit, 694 as low as it went, and then it ended up running again. But nothing really went, it didn't really go too crazy like it did these first 2 times, just kind of grinded. You could argue this 850 push might have been a good one, but wasn't really extended past this previous high here. So wasn't really interested. Obviously, I have been stopping at 12 o'clock now. It's going to be my new rule. So I was done anyway, but just watching, I was watching this, I was here, and I don't think I would have gotten back into this anyway. So that was our 4 trades, 2 on EXPR, the one on ATOS and one on PBF. And yeah, put us over goal for today. Unfortunately, if we go to our full screen here, you will see that we did not quite get to where we wanted to be for the week. We ended up at 97.82. We obviously needed to get to 200. The losses that we took there on VTNR at the end of the day on Wednesday, they kind of put us a little bit backwards. So yeah, if we go to the overview, you'll see that we started off good, but we took that nice little hit, but we did recover and end up getting back higher than we were on Tuesday. So there is a plus there. Just unfortunate that we took that loss. It was kind of unneeded. And if you add, we still wouldn't have been there. If you add those 2 together, what's that, $79? So would have been pretty close, but not quite. We would have been a little bit short. And that's where we stand. So don't forget, we have the Friday night live stream tonight. And yeah, there's the little one saying hi. Can you say hi?
Bye.
All right. And I will see you tonight. If I don't, have a good weekend. And I'll see you guys Monday morning. Peace.